Hello, it's Jared with BMW Bridgewater, and today I want to show you how to pair your phone with the 2019 BMW X5. The reason why it's going to be a little bit different is that the 2019 BMW X5 is currently using the new iDrive 7.0. So what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and take a look at the screen right here, show you how to pair it. What you do is go right over here to Communication widget, and click on that, and go ahead and hit Telephone. You're going to hit Connect New Phone. Now right here, it's going to go ahead and search for your phone. It's Jared's phone right here. Now the key is for the 7.0 is you're going to have to click it on the BMW side right here rather than your phone. So I'm going to hit that right here, and you're going to wait for it to pop up on your cell phone. Now go ahead and did it right here. It's going to ask me to pair it. I'm going to hit it, and it's going to sync. I'm going to hit Allow. Just go ahead and wait for that right here. It's going to start loading. We're just going to go ahead and wait for it. And you're all set. Any more questions, feel free to come on in. I know especially with the 2019 BMW X5, there's a lot of cool new features. We'd be more than happy to show you. Come on in. We look forward to seeing you soon.